Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Imagine Anything to reimagine some stuff you'd like, for instance your dreams, or maybe something for social media even. I'm just going to reimagine for instance a really tall escalator inside of an abandoned mall going through the roof. I don't know. Here you can reimagine. You can also do artistic portrait here. And then it's going to apply your vision. There's also, you can also look at the gallery as well here and see if anything is similar to what you want to generate. Like even here, abstract, animals, animation. You can also generate sounds, music, video, and whatnot. But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. This is not... Oh, well, okay. I guess this is just the artistic one. I actually have to reimagine this one. But here it's loading again. So don't do the one that I did just now. Just press enter on this one. I'm not sure the art style though that it'll give. You can just use the ones here if you would like to. Cartoons, cats. There's a lot. What about food? I'm really hungry, even though I just ate for some reasons. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. You know, I've been craving banoffee pie. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that is terrifying. Yes, I'm happy with the content. It terrifies me. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.